Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to monitor network connectivity using Ping ICMP in Zabbix. Before we begin, make sure that FPing is installed and configured on your Zabbix server. Click Create Host to create a new host. Enter a name for your host. Select the template, Templates Network Devices. Scroll down and select ICMP Ping. Select Host as Application. Next, click Add and select Agent. Enter the IP address of the device you want to monitor. In this example, I want to ping Google. Once configured, click Add. Step 2. Create an ICMP ping graph for the newly created host. Name the graphs. For graph type, select Stacked. Select all and click Select. Finally, click Add. Step 3. Check the results. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the system to collect and display the data. Wish you success, and see you in the next video!